Hi. Welcome. This video is about how to discover your side hustle and begin earning a lot more money. One more income stream is always a good thing, especially during unpredictable economic times. You are about to find out exactly how to release a side hustle that plays to your toughness. The idea of a side hustle has actually constantly mattered for individuals at different points in their professional journeys that are making ends meet. But in these days of financial unpredictability, recognizing you have the chance for a side hustle in your back pocket has become especially important. The millions of individuals who work in and also around the technology market understand the direct and unforeseeable job market, as well as the demand to complete the gaps with the contract, freelance, and various other kinds of short-term jobs. Some of the globe's most significant technology companies, like Google, Amazon.com, Meta, as well as Microsoft, have actually jointly given up greater than 150,000 individuals in current months. Their reasoning has actually all been virtually the same, which is getting ready for both national, as well as international economies to enter an economic crisis. And these technology titans are simply the huge tip of the iceberg. The shockwaves inside these organizations send shakes down virtually every market, possibly making employees of all kinds vulnerable to the economic downturn. With that said, it's worthwhile for everybody to consider their own opportunities for carving out a new income. Remember why there's a side hustle. As the name suggests, a side job generally isn't an entirely brand new occupation in and of itself. Instead, it's typically an opportunity of a job that you can pretty conveniently grab, based on the skills and training you currently have. If your initial idea for a side hustle would need you to return to school for a different degree, you're probably straying too far away in your search. Think of the solution you can provide. Concentrate on your previous experience and existing staminas. These can be as technical as video clip editing or as essential as pet sitting. Popular side hustles run the gamut from YouTube content creation to home appliance repair service, and also marketing clothes you do not wear any longer. When trying to identify your side hustle, a good inquiry to ask on your own is, what do you have that other individuals desire or require? This principle is why training and coaching are two of the most common side hustles. For instance, if you're multilingual, you may consider giving lessons to language learners. Do not be afraid to use your experience. Your life experience could be beneficial to somebody else. For example, people who have worked in HR departments frequently use their abundant experience in hiring to be freelance resume editors or career coaches. If you're searching for a side hustle in a much more innovative area, perhaps you know your way around a digital sound workstation like Ableton, Reasoning, or GarageBand, you might make connections with a group such as Nashville Songs Market Networking, a team of more than 600 members with tons of bands wanting to hire freelance recording experts and audio mixers. Of course, you can also start your own group. As an example, you might organize online yoga classes, food preparation presentations, makeup tutorials, or language workshops. You might take into consideration hosting some free courses to draw in potential customers. Think about how you can help others and in ways that you will enjoy. There are more ways than you realize. Do that, and then get started. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black. Do that, right now. Thank you. If making money from home is of interest to you, consider joining the channel. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, so you will know every time a new video is uploaded. Allow me to wish you much success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.